Hey guys, so I'm here with an unboxing today. This is a 42-inch Yita Motor curved light bar. And right now in the pack we have a customer support card, a wiring harness with a built-in relay, switch, fuse, and our positive and negative sides, our light bar, mounting hardware, and a little install pamphlet. Get that out of the way. And our light bar is packaged really nicely. We've got some nice soft foam here and it fits snugly in the box. Let's get the tape off. And take a look. All right, so this looks very nice. It's got 2 rows of LEDs with spots in the middle and floods on the side. Some cooling vanes in the back, and a good looking weatherproof wire. Our button has some double-sided tape on the back, and it's just a simple tactile on-off. And it looks like they give you plenty of wire to mount it wherever you might need to. It comes with a 30 amp fuse installed. For our mounting hardware, we have our 2 L brackets, a couple of pads, an Allen key, and then our hardware washers, lock washers, some different lock washers, nuts, and our bolts that go with the Allen key. Here you can see I've installed these roll bar mounts for the L brackets. I've installed them loosely so that you can get the light bar in there and get everything tightened down after it's all installed. Here's a time lapse of installing the light bar. It's a really easy install once you get those L brackets on. 1 bolt each for the L brackets and then 1 bolt on each side. Tighten it down when you get it at your desired angle. With the included wiring harness, it is very easy to get it wired up. You just take the pigtails on the light and connect it to the open ends of the wiring harness they give you, red to red, black to black. Some heat shrink tubing to make sure that it is watertight, and you're all set. Here's the light bar installed on top of that roof rack. And now you can see how it's connected up to the battery. Black wire on the negative, red wire on the positive terminal. There's that 30 amp fuse, and that relay can just attach right there. And here you can see where I've routed wires from a previous install. The button on the inside will pass through, and you can see how I've installed that in a previous video. And with the double-sided tape, it can be mounted just like that.